Ever stared blankly at your Rogers bill, a question mark practically hovering over your head, wondering how in the world to get some clarity? You're not alone. Navigating the world of telecommunications billing can sometimes feel like deciphering an ancient scroll. Charges you don't recognize, service adjustments you weren't expecting, or maybe you just need to understand a specific fee. Whatever the reason, getting in touch with Rogers billing is a task many of us face. But where do you even begin? In today's fast-paced digital age, the traditional methods of picking up a phone and waiting on hold can feel archaic. While that option still exists, Rogers offers a variety of ways to connect with their billing department, catering to different preferences and levels of urgency. Before we dive into the how, let's briefly touch upon the why. Understanding your bill is crucial. It allows you to identify any discrepancies, ensure you're being charged correctly for the services you're using, and ultimately manage your finances effectively. Ignoring your bill can lead to unexpected charges, service disruptions, or even negative impacts on your credit score. So, taking the time to understand how to contact Rogers Billing is an investment in your financial well-being. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually contact Rogers Billing? Here are the primary methods you can use. 1. The MyRogers website and app, your digital hub. In today's digital landscape, the MyRogers website, Rogers.com, and the MyRogers mobile app are often the first and most convenient points of contact for many customers. These platforms are designed to empower you with self-service options, and surprisingly, they can often resolve your billing inquiries without even needing to speak to a representative. Accessing your bill, the first step is to log into your MyRogers account, either through the website on your computer or via the mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Once logged in, you should be able to easily access your current and past bills. Take some time to review the charges, looking for any items you don't understand. Exploring FAQs and support articles. Before directly contacting support, explore the frequently asked questions, FAQs, and support articles available within the MyRogers portal. Rogers has invested heavily in creating comprehensive resources that address common billing inquiries. You might find the answer to your question already documented there, saving you time and effort. Topics like understanding specific charges, payment methods, and billing cycles are often covered in detail. Using the digital assistant/chatbot, many areas within the MyRogers website and app feature a digital assistant or chatbot. These AI-powered tools can often answer basic billing questions and provide information quickly. While they might not be able to handle complex issues, they can be a good first point of contact for simple inquiries. Be prepared to be specific with your questions when interacting with the chatbot. Initiating a live chat. If the digital assistant can't resolve your issue, or if you prefer to communicate in writing with a live agent, the MyRogers platform usually offers a live chat option. This allows you to type your questions and receive real-time responses from a Rogers billing representative. This can be a convenient option if you prefer not to be on hold or if you need to keep a written record of the conversation. To access live chat, you will typically need to navigate to the Support or Contact Us section within your MyRogers account. Be prepared to wait for an agent to become available, especially during peak hours. 2. Phone support, the traditional approach. While digital options are increasingly popular, sometimes speaking directly to a person is the most effective way to resolve a billing issue, especially if it's complex or requires detailed explanation. Rogers does offer phone support for billing inquiries. Finding the right number. The specific phone number for billing inquiries might vary slightly depending on your region or the type of service you have. The best way to find the correct number is to visit the Contact Us section of the Rogers website, rogers.com/contact. Look for options related to billing or account support. You might find different numbers listed for residential and business customers. Preparing before you call. To make your phone call as efficient as possible, gather all relevant information beforehand. This includes your account number, the specific bill in question, have it open or handy, and a clear description of the issue or question you have. Jotting down a few bullet points can help you stay organized during the conversation. Navigating the automated system. Be prepared to navigate an automated phone system before you can speak to a live agent. Listen carefully to the options provided and select the one that best relates to your billing inquiry. If you're unsure, you can often press 0 or say representative to try and connect directly with an agent. Being patient and polite, remember that the customer service representatives are there to help you. Be patient and polite, even if you're frustrated. Clearly explain your issue and provide all the necessary details. Taking a calm and respectful approach will often lead to a more productive conversation. Taking notes. During your phone call, take notes of the representative's name, any reference numbers provided, and the agreed-upon resolution or next steps. This information can be helpful if you need to follow up later. 3. Social media, a public avenue, use with caution. Rogers has a presence on various social media platforms like Twitter, now X, and Facebook. While these platforms are not the primary channel for billing inquiries, they can sometimes be used for general support or to escalate issues if you're having trouble getting a response through other channels. Direct messaging. Many companies offer customer support through direct messaging on social media. You can try sending a direct message to Rogers' official account explaining your billing issue. Be concise and include your account information. Use caution when sharing sensitive information publicly. Direct messaging is generally more secure. Public posts. Use judiciously. While you can publicly tweet or post about your billing issue, be mindful of the information you share publicly. Avoid posting sensitive details like your full account number. Public posts can sometimes get the attention of customer service teams who may then direct you to a private messaging channel. Response times. Keep in mind that response times on social media can vary, and it might not be the quickest way to get immediate billing support. It's often better suited for general inquiries or raising awareness of an issue. 4. In person at a Rogers store, limited billing support. While Rogers retail stores are primarily focused on sales, device support, and general account management, they may be able to assist with some basic billing inquiries or direct you to the appropriate resources. Visiting a store. You can visit a local Rogers store and speak to a representative. Be aware that their ability to directly resolve complex billing issues might be limited. They may be able to access your account information and provide a basic overview of your bill or help you navigate the MyRogers website or app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.